In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change grid lines on your Wix site. Let's get started with a straightforward step-by-step guide to modifying your Wix editor to enhance your design experience. First, you'll want to head over to wix.com. Once there, log in to access your user dashboard where all your Wix sites are neatly organized. After logging in, choose the site you're working on. This is crucial because each site can have different settings and designs, so make sure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion. Now that you're on your site's dashboard, you'll see several options. Look for the Design Site button and click on it. This will redirect you into the Wix editor where all the magic happens. You'll immediately notice the grid lines that act as your visual guidelines on the canvas. However, bear in mind that these grid lines are just for structuring purposes. They are not visible on the published site. The next thing to know is that grid lines can't be changed in their current format, but don't worry, they can be hidden if you find them distracting while designing. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editor where you'll find a Tools option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see an option for grid lines. Simply uncheck this option to hide the grid lines from your view. While we've hidden the grid lines, we still need a way to maintain our layout structure, and this is where rulers come into play. In the same Tools menu, you'll find an option to check rulers. Select it to activate rulers along the top and left sides of your editor. These rulers are incredibly handy for precision positioning of elements on your page. With the rulers activated, you can preview how your design looks without grid lines cluttering your workspace. You also have the flexibility to add guides. To do this, navigate to the rulers, click and drag from the ruler onto your canvas. This creates a guideline that can be positioned wherever you need it. Remember, these guidelines can be moved around easily. Simply click on a line, hold, and drag it to your desired location. If at any point you feel the guidelines are no longer necessary, removing them is simple. Hover your cursor over the guideline you wish to remove, right-click, and you'll see an option to delete it. Following these steps, you should have a clutter-free workspace ideal for designing your Wix site with precision and flair. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.